10 NFT tips for newbies. Number 1, to be successful, do your own research before you buy. Why? The hot new NFT you buy today might be tomorrow's rug pull scam. Number 2, buy original NFTs. Why? Derivatives rarely outperform the original NFT collection. Number 3, by the time you hear about a new project on Twitter Spaces, you're probably too late for the best price. Number 4, take charge of your online security. Most projects don't audit their code or even have security on their Discord. Number 5, buy the floor price. Why? The majority of NFT projects fail to stay above mint price. Number 6, volume and liquidity are better value metrics than floor price. The higher volume of buyers means greater interest in the collection and more profits on the secondary market. Number 7, research the industry news and polls. Dexter Lab polled 1,300 people via Twitter on their NFT buying habits in May to June 2022. Despite the majority looking for gains from NFT trading, less than half made a profit. Number 8, any risky investment can become a loss. Duh. Number 9, despite losses, there are some huge profits to be made. For example, Goblin Town, a free-to-mint collection with no utility or roadmap, top sales charts for over 30 days and sold nearly 70 million in secondary sales. Number 10, NFTs are creating a solid market that's nearing widespread mainstream adoption. In fact, according to CoinGecko, the NFT market is projected to transact over 800 billion sales in the next 2 years. So what should you do? Do your own research, ask questions, have fun. Only invest in what you can afford to lose. Hey, life's too short to wait. Do it. You're gonna make it. To learn more, subscribe. Okay.